welcome to our Squishies and Slime Advent Calendar, Day 23. If you haven't seen days 1 to 22, make sure you go check it out. We will leave a link to the playlist in the description down below and a card somewhere up here.
Can you believe tomorrow is Christmas Eve?
No, I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm
excited. What's the best part of Christmas?
Because Santa gives us presents.
Santa give us presents?
Yes.
Being with my family.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna open the squishy and she's gonna open the slime. My best girl, Maya.
Thank you.
That was so sweet.
Her best girl, Maya.
Let's do this.
La 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 la.
That is ginormous.
You got, what is that, Ollie? Do you know what animal that is?
A panda.
It's a panda bun. Maya, can you help her rip through it?
Yeah.
Don't get mad at the panda. Where's your Christmas spirit, girl?
One thing I can tell already is this is a little denser than other panda bun squishies.
When you squish it in your hands.
I love that face.
The sister panda.
She's a girl because she has a bow. That's right.
One thing that I don't like about panda squishies is that how dirty they get really easily.
All right, Maya, let's see that slime. What is it?
It's a pinkish slime with foam beads and glitter.
I like foam beans and glitter. They're so awesome. I poke them all the time.
Whoa. This is like a cranberry lemonade. Look at this.
Oh my God, I love that.
I know. We still haven't perfected our clear slime, so it's awesome having these.
Totally.
Whoa, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. The texture of the clear slimes with foam beads. You want to feel it, Olivia?
Yes, you feel this sushi. You know what me and my besties are? Roar, roar,
Roar,
roar, high five.
Is that your bestie handshake?
Yes.
Oh, that stings for a 3-year-old. She's really strong.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Mommy, can Barbie come over?
Sure.
Yay! Barbie, it's awesome to see you. You're ready to open up your calendar? Day 23, right here. We got a helmet. That's perfect so she won't get a concussion.
Awesome. Nobody wants to get one of those.
Nope.
Here you go. Hi, Barbie.
Hi.
It's a cool helmet you got there.
Thank you.
You can even tighten it.
Mm-hmm.
Safety first, right, girls?
Right.
Whose calendar are we doing next?
Me.
Okay.
Whoa, what is this?
Your calendar, silly. Here, wait. Ooh, a cake.
Let's see it. Can we open it? Oh, it's like a celebration cake. Ooh, that looks so good, right?
I know.
Yes, they're flags and vanilla. I like vanilla flags.
Time for Jordan's calendar, right here.
Let's open it.
Here.
Hot. Now let's open this.
Oh, what
Whoa,
is it?
it looks like a ship.
Another ship.
I know.
All right, Master Builder.
So here's what Jordan got.
Oh, that's cool. It almost looks like a sled with presents,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
It's
maybe
Santa's
it is.
sleigh.
Yeah.
That's what it almost looks like.
I know.
Do you guys think Jordan will like it?
Yes, I think he'll love it.
Yeah, and he's gonna play with it a lot.
Yeah.
I bet you. Did you see that BB-8 with the thing?
Oh yeah, he's been wanting
We haven't gotten him yet. Maybe tomorrow?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. I can't wait to see it.
What's this to do?
Tomorrow is going to be a very special day, guys, so make sure to tune in, right?
Yes.
We have a special surprise for the last day.
Well, guys, that was our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Tune in tomorrow to see day 24. It's a very special day because it's the last day of our Squishies and Slime Advent Calendar.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.